The truth about cracking knuckles will shock you. Cracking knuckles pops gas bubbles in joint fluid, not damaging cartilage. Studies, like one in Annals of Rheumatic Diseases, show no arthritis link in habitual crackers. This myth persists in daily life, but knowing the facts reduces unnecessary worry. Apply it by cracking freely without fear, focusing on real joint health like exercise. Bust more myths. Cracking doesn't cause arthritis. Follow at Didaxa.ai for more mind-blowing lessons like this and level up your learning.